We all have sweet tooth. Many of us crave for sweet food. Among all taste, sweet taste is probably the most liked taste around the world. It's very easy to say don't eat sugar, but still it's not that easy to control cravings. There should be an alternate way. Let us find out what naturopathy and ancient Ayurveda have said about the sweet and sugary food. In the end, I'll share my own perspective. Tongue is the primary organ of taste. According to Ayurveda, a person to stay healthy, one should include six tastes in his diet. They are bitter, sweet, salty, sour, pungent, astringent. According to Ayurveda, some of the qualities of sweet food should be Prahaladana, brings happiness to mind, Tarpana, nourish the sense organs, Varnakar, improves skin color and complexity, Ayusha, increase the life expectancy. As modern day refined sugar has quite opposite qualities, Ayurveda claimed refined sugars are considered to be stale and overstimulating. They create disturbance and waste in the body. According to Ayurveda, there are certain foods that don't taste sweet while chewing in mouth, but when they get digested, they exhibit the property of sweet taste. Such foods are all dairy foods like milk, cheese, butter, ghee, and some other like amla, cashew, cinnamon, whole grains. According to naturopathy, added sugar is different from natural sugar given by our own nature mother because added sugar comes within less nutrition, minerals, whereas natural sugar comes within whole package bunch of fibers, minerals which are very essential for human body. Some of the natural sugar rich vegetables and fruits are carrot, beetroot, sweet potato, cucumber, mangoes, banana, and many more. According to naturopathy, natural sugar available in fruits and vegetables keeps a person healthy and prevents diseases, whereas refined sugar causes health hazards and many health complications. Hence, refined sugar is called as white poison. Now I'll give my own perspective. Refined sugar is a man-made chemical substance. In the process of refining, all vital nutrients which are essential for human body are completely lost, and what finally remains is a simple carbohydrate. Refined sugar are considered to be in empty calories with no nutritional value since it has no function to perform properly in our body. Hence, there is no need of this refined sugar. There are many other types of sugar alternatives available in the market. Brown sugar is the first byproduct of refined sugar. In terms of health perspective, there is nothing difference between both of them. Almost have same calories and nutritional values. Some other like jaggery and honey, they are far better than refined sugar as they contain some vital nutrients and minerals. Remember, not every honey available today is 100% organic and not every jaggery is natural and free from synthetic colors. In the name of low calorie sweeteners, sugar free substitutes, many artificial sweeteners are now available in market like aspartame, sucralose, saccharine. In long term, they cause headache, dizziness, depression. Today, almost 80% of food processing items are loaded with refined sugar and artificial sweeteners because it gives a better food texture, flavor enhancer, and improves shelf life of packaged foods. So here my point is, though if you stop eating refined sugar directly, unknowingly in an indirect form you may consume. Eating sugar is not the main problem here. Eating sugar and not indulging in any physical activities is the main problem here. The risk of getting serious diseases like diabetes, obesity, hypertension gets multiplied when you sit idle and eat all such junk foods and not indulging in any physical activities, and most importantly living a more stress life. So the takeaway is, if you are unable to control your cravings, eat sweet and sugary foods in a moderate way, indulge in physical activities, avoid all stresses and bad habits. That is the most important for a balanced life.